No! You people are not serious! Amaya!
Do I have a machine producing money inside the house?
Whatever she must have done to you to make you sound this foolish! Eyes! We'll undo it.
You better leave by the time I get back here. If I come out again, you will not like what I will do again.
No, shut up!
So you've been sleeping with my friend all this while?
Get out! Get out! Please, my mother said
my mother made her choice right away. Ended up with a total failure and disaster like you. That is what you want from me, Abi?
Let me hear what you just said now.
And there is nothing I said here that is not true. I saw you, the way you were leeching on my mother. Now I'm merely following her up. That is what you want to do to me. For you to choose a man like that as my husband that doesn't have a future. You are a shameless man. You will die in poverty.
Why? Why did you lie to me this morning?
So, leave this place. Go back. Go.
Why would you do that without considering my itinerary?
You work for the company, and the company carves out your schedules for you.
Mom and Dad are dead, and it is my job to make sure that you're safe.
Let's go to room 306 and sort ourselves out. That's the only way you can stay here till eternity.
A stupid steward girl tried to poison me with garlic, and I reacted. Instead of you to stand up for my defense, what did you do? You supported her instead and made me look stupid before your parents and that dirty swine.
Hey! Let's get the car! Let's get the car! Ah!
You and I came here for one thing, and that is to see my father. That you haven't done since we got here. So what exactly have been keeping you busy?
Never allow this nonsense to repeat itself. Just for me to come back and still see you in your nightgown.
The more I stay, the more it seems like I committed a crime.
Stand up!
Please.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.